Hello, Welsey. Welcome to my humble abode.
It's very interesting.
So, you want to go home, yes?
Yeah, it would be really nice to see my friend again.
I have an idea of how I can take you home.
Oh?
Yes. Let me just open this door. This might take a minute. It's hard to reach.
I understand.
Okay. Come on into my lab.
Oh my.
Yes, this is just room one of many. This is the Void Beast. It's where all of my oh, that is the wrong tag lock. It is where all of my magical thingies come from. And it's how we're going to send you home.
Ah, okay.
Yes. So, let's go on in.
My game crashed.
Okay. come with me.
Oh my,
So,
oh my god.
This is where the magic is gonna happen. Well, this is the room. This is how you're going to get home.
It's very dark.
It needs to be, you know, to hold in all the magical essence and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you could just stand right in the middle there and hold this sadly gross thing. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going to light these in order. Alright. Are you ready to go home?
Yeah, I think I am.
Alrighty.
Wait. Why do you have a sword?
Good reasons. Goodbye!
No!
Oh, hello there.
Teeth?
Yes? I sent them home. I sent them home. Nobody else knows what you saw today. There's no body. There's nothing. They went home. That's what you're going to tell everybody. You got me? Got it?
Got it.
Alright, let's head back out. Isn't it beautiful?
Well, what even is that?
I don't even know.
I kinda wanna touch it.
I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's leave this room. I'll deal with the body later.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh! Hello!
Oh.
Good evening.
Hi.
I did something wonderful.
Pardon
What?
the intrusion. We were told we could. We apologize for coming here unannounced. I was wondering if you've seen Wesley
Oh,
anywhere.
yes! You just missed them! I sent them home. I did it. I sent them home.
Them home?
You found a way to
Yes.
send people home.
I did.
That's incredible.
It surely is.
How did you accomplish such a feat?
You see, it's a little thing called the power of a god.
Well, I suppose that's a power I'm unfamiliar with. So I suppose that makes sense.
Yes. Why? There's a lot of people in my house.
Apologies again. Then, perhaps you might be able to shed some light. This is your house, correct?
Yes, this is my house.
I see you've been running a series of tests and experiments.
Yes,
Hey,
you've seen the, this room, I suppose.
Yes, I have. And you seem like quite the intelligent person yourself, and I was wondering if we could perhaps work together on figuring out a way for me to stop, deteriorating at the rate I am.
Yes, sounds like a wonderful plan.
I appreciate it. As I imagine you wouldn't want to work for free, however, so I will work out a payment method for you.
Alrighty.
Once we begin a working schedule. I humbly appreciate it. And if provided you're not busy, I wouldn't mind a tour of your experiments if you wouldn't mind. It's quite fascinating.
Maybe another day, but surely, yes, I could show you everything I've done.
It's truly appreciated. Well, with that, we should probably get going. We wouldn't want to interrupt anything.
Yes, you should all get out of here.
Surely we didn't interrupt anything, did we?
No, you interrupted nothing. Just caught me a little off guard, so.
Alright. Let's get out of here, maybe.
Yes, everybody, please leave my house.
Everybody. Good night.
Good night.
We need to go.
Oh.
This is not out of their house yet, so we should keep moving.